everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now in today's video, I'm going to be testing out some new face products. Very excited for these ones. I have the L'Oreal Lumi Natural Glow Enhancer. I do have the L'Oreal True Match Radiant Serum Concealer. I've heard some good things about this. And the Revolution Pro Translucent Setting Powder. Now sadly, they are discontinuing a lot of Revolution Pro products on Superdrug. So if you can still get your hand on it, then definitely go for it because they've reduced this now and it's an absolute bargain. So I'm going to be trying this. I'm going to be applying all three of these products to my face and give you guys my honest thoughts about them. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar down below. So if you guys want to know my honest thoughts on these face products, just keep watching. Alright guys, let's test out some new face products. So I have a Lumi Natural Glow Enhancer from L'Oreal. It's sort of like a BB cream sort of situation, but it's meant to give like a natural glow to the face. I also have the L'Oreal True Match Radiant Serum Concealer. Very excited for this one. And I also have the Revolution Pro Protect Hydrating Matte Setting Powder in SPF 6. And this is a pro aging one, so I'm very excited to test these. Okay. So we're going to start with the base product first. So we're going to start off with the Tinted Moisturiser or BB Cream. I think that's what it is called. So this is the L'Oreal Lumi Natural Glow Enhancer. And I got the shade Light. So this is what it looks like. It's in like a squeezy bottle. Ooh. Okay, straight off the bat, it looks a little bit dark on me. I should have maybe got the lighter shade, but then that might have been a bit too pale on me. So this is kind of reminds me of a like a bronzing drop situation. Grab my damp beauty sponge. We are going to start blending this out. Okay, I've just brought it closer so you guys can see. It definitely is a slight bit too dark for me, but as I said before, it's definitely coming across as those bronzy drops sort of situation. So I'm not too mad about it. But you can see how flawless it's making my skin look. Let's try the concealer now. So this is the L'Oreal True Match Radiant Serum Concealer. And I've got the shade Light 0.5D. And this is what it looks like. And that's the little doe foot applicator. It's got a really funny shape to it. It's kind of like a little foot sort of shape. It's really different. So let's apply some of this. So I'm only going to do just about here. I don't like placing some there because I tend to get a lot of wrinkles here. And when I put concealer there, I tend to over exaggerate it. That's why I only keep it just in the inner corners. I like to focus the product literally just here. I'm just gonna swipe a little bit here as well. Right, that's good enough to me. I'm just gonna blend this out now with my sponge. Okay, I thought I'd just bring a close up. It's got a decent coverage. If you were to use a brush, you definitely get more coverage out of it. Or some people tend to leave the concealer on longer for more coverage. I think it's nice. It definitely works really nice with that L'Oreal Lumi product. Gives a really nice glow, nice reflection, doesn't feel heavy. Yeah, these two work really nice together. I really like that glow, and it's evened out the sort of bronzy look. It's sort of evened it out a little bit. Yeah, I dig it. I dig those. I can see why the L'Oreal concealers have been so overhyped. Right, last but not least, let's try the powder, shall we? So this is the Revolution Pro Protect Hydro Matte Setting Powder with SPF 6 in it. This is what the box looks like. This is what the product looks like. It has, that's the lid at the front. And there's the translucent powder there. I'm going to start putting this under my eyes first. Oh yeah, it does feel very smooth. Right, I'm now just going to take the loose powder. I'm going to start setting my face with it. So I've already applied a liquid blusher. It was the L'Oreal Lumi blush. I have uploaded a short on my YouTube channel, so if you want to know my review on that, definitely check it out. As you can see, the powder has set my face really well. It doesn't look drying, it doesn't look cakey on the skin. It's very rare that I get brand new face products actually working well together. Usually there's one that messes up, but no. Set my face really well. Still got a little bit of that shine, but it definitely feels set. Alright guys, so my final thoughts on these 3 products. Now, this is lovely. The base product is dewy, it's glowy, it's lightweight, it doesn't overemphasize my texture. This is really nice, and I'll definitely use this for like bronzing drops, or definitely mix this in with a foundation that's a little bit too light for me. This would work. This is fantastic. The concealer, lightweight, blends really nicely. Buildable coverage, I forgot to mention. It does build up coverage. It doesn't feel heavy. I really, really like this. And the powder, I put so much on my face, it hasn't dried out my skin or anything. It's set my makeup really well, and I like the fact it's got SPF in it, but it's got like SPF 6. I wish there was more SPF in it, but nonetheless, I'm grateful to have a little bit of product that does have SPF in it. It's always good to protect your skin against the sun. So I definitely recommend all 3 of these, and I really, really enjoyed applying all 3 of these. And I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please click subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys, take care.